Here I have EMPORIA Smart 4, and today I'm going to show you how to scan QR codes on this device. So firstly, what you have to do is to open camera, then go to its options and select QR scan. And now let's scan, for example, this QR code. So as you can see, as soon as my camera spots it, it immediately opens the page which is being encoded to this QR code. And yeah, that's how it works. This is the page which I had encoded to this QR code. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.